Hey guys, I'm really excited to announce that the new version 0915 is now fully integrated with iTero. So let me show you. If you create a new dental scan, uh, so normally what you will do to import a dental scan is to click maxilla and mandible and select the PLYs, but you will have to download these PLYs directly from your iTero or your scan website, um, which creates a more steps than necessary. Now in this newer version, there is an import from iTero button that if you click it, it will log in into your iTero and automatically select the patient, um, and show all the scans, and you can import it. If the patient name doesn't match what your iTero scan has, you can click it and filter for it. I know, and let's open this one, and you will see all the scans for that patient. And if you click it, it will download it and then import it into your dental scan 3D. That way you don't have to spend the extra steps to download and import here. It's just all within Titan. Um, I hope this feature, if you like this feature, as it saves a lot of time. And yeah, let us know what you think about it.